Hello and welcome to Digital Priya lecture. Today we will going to discuss about biological classification, which is our second chapter. So first, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notification. What is biological classification? Our basic classification is domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Domain in modern biological classification do not discuss about domain. Okay, so what is biological classification? Biological classification is the scientific grouping of organisms on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities. Okay, on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities, organisms are grouped under a single category. Okay, placing the groups in a hierarchy of categories. So biological classification, our modern biological classification is RH Whittaker have differentiate kingdoms into 5 different kingdoms, which are Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia, Fungi. Okay, but here we are shown Eubacteria, Archaebacteria, Protista, Plantae, Animalia and Fungi, which are unicellular or multicellular. Okay, so we are going to discuss what is the purpose of classification, why we classify organisms in different categories. Okay, why it is important to classify organisms. Easy identification of organisms can be done. Okay, if we discuss about different organisms individually, then we can't explain in each and individual organism with their characters. Okay, so study of organisms is easy and convenient. For making the study of organisms easy, organisms are classified under different categories. Okay, helps to establish evolutionary relationship among different organisms. Study of one or two organisms of a group gives the sufficient data or information about the essential feature of the group. Okay, it will discuss the features of whole group, not individual group. There are common characters of organisms, so it will discuss the whole group. Okay, it helps in identification of new organisms. When new organisms are discovered, it helps to identify them. Okay, so now what are the types of classification? There are 3 types of classification: artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, phylogenetic system of classification. Natural system is advanced from artificial, and phylogenetic is advanced from natural system of classification. So what is artificial system of classification? Artificial system of classification was given by Aristotle, Theophrastus and Carolus Linnaeus. They are 3 scientists who give us the artificial system of classification. So what is artificial system of classification? Only 1 or 2 morphological characters for grouping is used. In artificial system of classification, only 1 or 2 morphological characters are used to group or classify organisms. Okay, like flowering and non-flowering plants, Anaima and Anaima. Okay, This type of classification which we have discussed is developed by Aristotle, Theophrastus and Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, this is the artificial system of classification between animals. Okay, here are the species, genus, family, order. Okay, they have one or two morphologically similar character. Okay, so they are grouped under artificial system of classification. Now we will discuss the natural system of classification. Natural system of classification was given by Bentham and Hooker. So it is named as Bentham and Hooker classification. So it is known as Bentham and Hooker classification. Okay. Now what is natural system of classification? This system considers comparable study of number of characters. Okay, it is number of characters. This system and not identify only one or two morphological characters. It will compare multi features of organisms. It will compare two or more characters of organisms. So it is natural system, and we can say advanced system of classification. Okay, classification was based on morphology, anatomy, cytology, physiology, ontology, biochemistry and taxonomy. So it is showing how many characters it will compare between organisms to classify them, and we have discussed it is also known as Bentham and Hooker classification. Okay, now we will discuss about the natural classification of plants. So here are given kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus, species of plants. Okay, what is the classification of this plant? Kingdom Plantae, phylum or division Angiospermophyta, class Dicotyledone, it is of dicot, order Fabaceae, family Papilionaceae, genus Lathyrus, species Lathyrus odoratus. Its species is odoratus. Okay, now we will discuss about the phylogenetic classification of organisms. So who gave phylogenetic classification? Phylogenetic classification was given by Adolf Engler and Karl Prandtl. Okay, they are the two scientists who gave the phylogenetic classification of organisms. Okay, so now we will discuss phylogenetic system of classification. Okay, this system is based on evolutionary relationship of organisms. They identify the evolutionary relationship of organisms to classify them into groups or different categories. Okay, in this system, classification is based on evolution of organisms on Earth from primates to highly evolved. Okay, classification was given by Engler and Prandtl, so it is named as Engler and Prandtl classification. It is also known as Hutchinson classification. Okay, so it is the phylogenetic classification of organisms. Now we will discuss it by structurally. So first species, second species, third species. and here we are shown the common ancestor of first and second species, then the common ancestor of first, second and third species. Okay, you can see here the evolution of organisms. This species is evolved from this ancestor, and this species also evolved from this ancestor. So we can say that different species can have a common ancestor. Okay, so we will proceed to this lecture in our next video. For that, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for our notification. Please hit the like button for our motivation. Thank you all.